This video will show you on how you can view all the participants in a Google Meet meeting. So let's go ahead, go to our browser and search www.google.com, and then we're gonna search the Google Meet Grid Preview Fix. So maraming versions ng mga grid view sa extensions ng Google Chrome. So this one is tested na working. So we have here Google Meet Grid Preview. This is fixed, offered by Simon Marulio. Okay, so and it has a version of 1.39 updated this July 11, 2020. So ito yung sample niya. So ganyan na makikita. So more like a zoom-like ang view ng ating Google Meet. So that's what we want to accomplish. So simple step, just click the Add to Chrome. So this one is also available sa Mozilla Firefox and also sa Microsoft Edge. So once na na-install natin ang Chrome, so you will see here sa may puzzle dito ang ating mga extensions. Okay, so you should see ang Google Meet grid view na extension na it's running. So for the next page, or next video will show you yung ating sample on how it will look like sa Google Meet with certain number of participants. So that's all, and thank you for watching.